जो हमारी next speaker है, her name is Sadaf Sar, and she is an athlete and a fitness trainer. Great to have you, Sadaf. Let's hear from you. And like I said, I envy all those people who are fitness trainers and would love to be one of them.
Alright, thank you so much. This is Sadaf Saad, and yes, I'm an athlete and I'm a certified fitness trainer. Heard few speeches about men helping and yes, women empowering. Let's start with my thing, my second journey. It just started like 12 years back when my younger daughter was born, like she was 2 years old and I had nothing to do and doctor said, no more babies. I said, what to do? I don't know what to start with. So this was my second journey. My first journey started long back when I was in my school. I was an athlete. Not good athlete. I was the bestest athlete of my school. I was a sprinter, I was a throw ball player, I was a volleyball player. It just had to stop somewhere. Grade 10, I was given a chance to play women hockey. But mom said, no, kali ho jayegi, fir shaadi nahi hogi. And I was like, okay, theek hai. I had like a doctor's family, so I was on to study science only. I was good in studies, not bestest in studies. So did my inters. With 3% I could not get into medical. It was bad for them, but it was relief for me. Did my bachelor's, master's, got married. Then had babies, few problems. Then 11 years back I realized, let's do something which I want to do. I went into a fitness club. So I went for like 11 years back. No male. You're not going into the male thing. A female club. I said, okay. I went to the female side. The female, the trainer said, no, you are not meant for female. Go for executive gym. I said, okay, but they have males. So, but she said, no, we can't train you. You have too much strength. Go for that. I started alone on my own. 5 months later, 2 trainers came to me. ये क्या कर रहे हैं आप? आए हम कराते हैं आपको. That day changed my life. I went into weight training. I am a heavyweight lifter, and from that it started. Not so easy. Relax. Husband came in. Again, you're going for male gym? I said, मुझे करना है. Then I did not used to tell him that I go into the male gym, but I used to go. Then came the running part. It was like I was a sprinter. I was a runner in my school. Years back, I found a group Born to Run, and they told me to come down. And it was like 5:30 a.m. I used to go out of house and run. When I come back, my husband used to say, you run with men? How come you do that? I said, okay. I just became quiet and I kept on running and working out and doing everything. Then hit Corona. One day back, I went to the gym. It was like 6 days a week. I normally did gym for 2-3 hours. I used to gym. And yesterday I went to the gym, and today it's all finished. I had my pocket money for my birthday. I remember. I spent all my money buying my dumbbells. I said, no, I can't leave that. I bought dumbbell, and the very next day I started at my home. My husband saw me and he realized, are you a freak? Are you crazy? तुम अकेली makeup करके shorts पहन के you're working out. I said, I have to work. Don't interfere. From that day, he just stepped back, and then it was me. I started my online classes like June 2000, and then there is never looking back. This is what I wanted to say. It's not the men who helped me out. No, it was just me. I was so focused, and still I am focused. Focused in my work. I take classes. I wake up. I sleep early at 10 o'clock because I have to wake up early morning for my class. I'm still so much enthusiastic. I take classes in my gym, and I feel so happy talking about it because this is what I am. And I have to leave by 4 p.m. because I have a class to take at structures. So girls, we don't need anyone to support. We need ourselves. Yes, Miska was right. We need women to support, but I still feel I need myself, and it was just me who was consistent, dedicated. I did not step back, and still I will never step back, and I will continue doing it. Many questions arise from me, like, you do weight training? No, we don't need muscles. We want to tone up our body. Namika, you think, do I look like a man? They say, no, you have got beautiful body. Namika, because I lift weight. Girls, lift weight. We need muscles to protect our bones, to be stronger. Move all the out of your mind that we become men. We can never be men. We don't have testosterone hormones that will make us a man. It will make us more sexy, more beautiful, and more toned. This is what I tell everyone. And one more thing. People come to me, and when I give them a meal plan, they say, oh my God, we can't eat paratha, we can't eat roti, no, we'll put on our weight. One of my clients, she came to me with 88 kgs for last 5 years, and she was starving. I said, did you lose weight by starving? She said, no. Manika, now eat and lose weight. Trust me, 6 months, she is 76 kgs, she is eating roti, paratha, rice, and everything. So girls, eat and lose weight. This is my motto of my class. I want everyone to like my page on Instagram. That's Get Fit with Sadaf Sir. And if you really are a morning wake up person, come to my class. I'll guide you and I'll make you lose weight. Thank you so much.
Big round of applause for Sadaf, please. Louder.